name is Isha Reddy, and this is my Rube Goldberg machine, which is a fancy creative way to wish my little sister happy birthday by making a machine turn on the video for the happy birthday song on YouTube on my computer. Stage 1 is an inclined plane ramp. This large metallic ball is released at the ramp at the end, and it loses gravitational potential energy and gains kinetic energy as it accelerates down the ramp. The mechanical advantage of the ramp is the length divided by the height of it. The ball rolls from the ramp into the cup. Stage 2. The cup is attached to a pulley system consisting of 2 fixed pulleys with a string. These pulleys simply turn the direction of the force applied. The weight of the cup is counterbalanced by counterweight, which is scissors. When the ball rolls from the ramp into the cup, the forces become unbalanced and the cup moves down, pulling the counterweight scissors up. This sets into motion Stage 3. Stage 3 is a timing device, which is a 10-second sandglass that is attached to the counterweight scissors by a piece of string. As the counterweight scissors moves up, it pulls the sandglass up. The sand in the sandglass gains gravitational potential energy by moving up, and this gained potential energy is then lost as kinetic energy as the sand moves to the bottom of the sandglass. This timer is timed at 10 seconds. Stage 4 is a second-class lever made of a paper ribbon with a hinge point at one end where it is attached to a second wooden ramp. It has a marble station in the center on the ribbon. When the counterweight scissors of the pulley moves up, the string pulls up the free end of the paper ribbon up with it due to friction. This hinged paper ribbon now becomes a second-class lever, with the hinge on the paper ribbon becoming the fulcrum. The effort is from the friction of the string moving upwards, and it lifts the load, which is the marble on the ribbon in the center, upwards, gaining gravitational potential energy. The mechanical advantage of lever is always greater than 1, because the effort applied at a distance from the fulcrum that is greater than the distance of the load marble from the fulcrum. The tail in the paper ribbon sets into motion the 5th stage. Stage 5 is a second inclined plane ramp made from the groove wood for the marble to move in a stable path. The glass marble is released on a ramp at one end and loses gravitational potential energy, gaining kinetic energy while accelerating down the ramp. The mechanical energy advantage of this ramp is the length divided by the height of the ramp. The ball jumps from the end of the ramp into a funnel with the attached ramp that is stage 6. Stage 6 is the funnel with the attached plastic ramp. The marble jumps from the end of ramp 2 into the funnel. The funnel with the attached plastic pump turns the direction of the motion of the marble downwards and in the opposite direction. The glass marble again loses gravitational potential energy, gaining kinetic energy, accelerating down the ramp. The mechanical advantage of this ramp is the length divided by the height of it. Stage 7 is a third wooden inclined ramp. This is the longest run for the marble and has a large mechanical advantage, which is the length divided by the height of the ramp, of all the ramps in my system, because the longest length of the ramp to height ratio. Stage 8 is a first-class lever made from Lego pieces from Lego sets I had when I was growing up. As the marble rolls off the ramp in stage 7, it jumps onto the plate of the effort arm of the Lego first-class lever, pressing it downwards. This causes the other end of the Lego first-class lever to rise, which is a load or resistance arm. The mechanical advantage of this lever is a ratio of the length of the effort arm to the length of the load or the resistance arm. The load arm of the Lego first-class lever taps the paper strip on which the first dominoes are carefully balanced on stable equilibrium. The dominoes are on a horizontal wooden ramp. Stage 9 are the dominoes, which get activated by this first-class lever, falling continually until it reaches this truck, which lands on the trackpad of my computer and plays the Happy Birthday song. In this is the flat area, and the dominoes push this, which is a wheel and axle, which is my flying device, which follows my electrical device.